Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to clean the dust collectors with a vacuum on your PlayStation 5 and not void your warranty when you clean it. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So in this video, I am going to be using a microfiber cleaning cloth and then a vacuum cleaner right here to suck out the dust. And also I have some compressed air. This is not WD-40, this is just compressed air. It blows air, so don't make that mistake. Now the first thing we want to do is remove the side panels on the PlayStation. So on the disk drive side, you want to go ahead and go to the opposite corner, lift up, and then push towards you. So let's do that, push it up, and I'm pushing towards me. And here is my PlayStation. Now there is no dust collectors on this side, and you can see the disk drive right here and then the NVMe expansion bay for your storage capacity right here. And typically I just like wiping everything down with my microfiber cleaning cloth, just like this. Now let's go to the other side, and after we suck out the dust, we can always spray it with our compressed air. Go to the side with the PlayStation logo, lift up, and then push towards you, and it should pop up just like that. Doesn't take a lot of force whatsoever. So here is the dust collectors. They're located here and here. Now I'm just going to wipe everything down with my microfiber clean cloth right away. And my PlayStation 5 is looking really good. I cleaned it yesterday, so there shouldn't be any dust on it. Now let's take my vacuum cleaner and just suck out the dust here and then here. So let's turn it on right now. And here we go. This should collect all the dust that has been collected here. Just like that. Perfect. So that should do it, and this won't void your warranty whatsoever when you go ahead and do this. Now what you can do with your compressed air, you can spray your ports in the back here. Just spray into here, clean off everything here. Just go 1, 2, and 3, and don't hold down your compressed air more than 2 or 3 seconds in a row, and just do short bursts, and don't flip it upside down like this or like this. Keep it level as you can, because there will be some residue that will form. But if you do see any kind of residue, you can try to wipe it up with your microfiber clean cloth. Otherwise, just make sure your PlayStation 5 has enough time sitting on the side before you plug it back in, so it completely dries off and there's no residue on the components. So spray into here and get this all cleared off. And then you can also do the same thing with the fan on each side. Spray into the fan and try to clean off any debris that's sitting on the fan. Then also at the bottom here, there's some vents right here you can spray into and just clear off those. Same thing with the USB ports on the front here. Also the disk drive. You can spray into the disk drive, cleaning off any debris that's sitting in there, any dust. And then also get the fan on this side as well. Clean that off. And any additional openings that you believe you haven't covered, go ahead and try to spray into there and collect any other dust that has been formed. Alright, this is looking good. So let's put my cover back on so I can see the disk drive right here. And here's the faceplate with the disk drive. Also, your face cover right here can be wiped off. Clean that well and get the other one as well. So let's put this on, and then we're going to go this way now and push down a little bit, and it should snap into place. Let's flip this baby around and get the back side here. Alright, let's put my cover back on, just like that, and push, and it snapped back in. So vacuuming up the dust from the dust collector on your PlayStation 5 is very easy, and it's good to do every couple of months. Just make sure there is no dust just sitting inside your PlayStation. slowing it down and making the fan a little bit louder. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.